Yeah, buddy. Y'all see what it is, man. It's another Novsight sponsored LED headlight video. All right, man, let's get into it. Headlights from Novsight. This is the N60 series 9012 size. So yes, that means that this light bulb will fit in your headlights. If this is your first time at my channel, you know that I've done a review on Novsight lights before. I use them for my fog lights currently down here at the bottom. And originally I thought that they would fit in the headlights portion, but they did not fit. I think they were the size H11s that I have for the fog lights. They fit perfectly for the fog lights, and honestly they shine brighter than the current LEDs that I have right now. And I've been using the Farron lights, headlights for a minute, but I'm gonna be honest, y'all, they do not compare. The brightness does not compare to the Novsight fog lights. The fog lights are way brighter than the headlights, so I'm extremely happy and extremely thankful to Novsight for sponsoring this video for the N60 series headlights, because these bright lights right here, it's gonna just complete the look as far as the front and the headlights and everything that I was looking for. So without further ado, man, let's go on and get into some of the specs right here. Now the first thing I want to show y'all, put up a couple clips right now so y'all can kind of see some of the specs. We'll run down a little bit of the pricing, and if you use this code that you see floating across the screen right now, you can get a little extra off. If you go ahead and jump on this buy right now, you can actually save 15% off, which is like an autumn fall sale that they have going on right now. And man, I'm telling you, you can really get these lights for a really decent price. And I'm telling y'all, LED bulbs, you can get some cheap ones, but y'all know the phrase, you get what you pay for. These are not cheap headlights. These are really good, high quality LED bulbs, and I think that everybody should cop a pair. They have a lifespan over 100,000 hours, and I can speak for it through experience that they are really good. They are definitely bright. They don't flicker, give you any of those problems like that. So anyway, man, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right, so we got a towel laid out right here, so none of y'all won't be thinking I'm scratching up the car and all of that. But yeah, let's go on and get into this right here. This is nothing new, man. If you've been on my channel before, you know that I have tried a few different headlight companies, different headlights, but most of you will see in this right here probably coming from the old halogen bulbs, and those, as we know, are complete garbage. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and break this out right here. You won't need another headlight, I promise you. This right here is gonna set you straight. All right, put that to the side. So you got a little keychain from Novsight here, light up your way. And you got your manual right here. Put that to the side, and this is the actual bulb. Has a canvas right here. This canvas right here basically helps you with, you know, to avoid the flickering and whatnot. And basically, once we plug these in, if you plug it in and it doesn't turn on, then that means you just need to unplug it and flip it so that it will turn on. It's got a fan back here to keep it cool. It's IP68 rated, so you don't have to worry about water and all of that. Very bright luminous. It's more like a whitish color, but I'll show you all of that anyway. So this is one headlight right here, and this other headlight that we got right here. All right, that's nothing else in the box. You can throw your old ones in there. Keep your old halogen bulbs, man, if you have them, you know, just in case. You never know what might happen. All right, so that's pretty much it right here. So let's go ahead on, and I'm gonna show you what the halogen bulb looks like. And I say I'm gonna go ahead and pop in one of these right here so we can just kind of compare the look. But again, just for reference, this is a 9012 right here. Hope y'all can see that. 9012 is the size that you need for this headlight. N60 series, that's what this is. All right, so let's get to it. All right, y'all, so the first thing I want to point out is when you're putting these in. Now this, if you are a Challenger or Charger owner, you understand this right here can be the most difficult thing, in my opinion, to get connected properly. Trying to line up these holes blindly is a really difficult process, and I think a lot of times you might get one or two in, the big one not be in, and then you'll twist it and it'll get stuck in there, and it'll basically throw off the angle, the lighting angle, so it won't shine bright or shine evenly. Not bright, but they won't shine evenly, and it can really look kind of crazy because you'll have one shining really bright on the ground. But basically, you really do have to pay attention to how you put these in. Put your hand down there and kind of feel where the grooves are, where the bigger groove is especially, and that could be like a marker for you, and that way you just try to put it in straight and turn it in properly. Another thing too, before you actually put it back, put the bulb actually in place and lock it in, I would just say leave it out, turn on the headlights and see if it comes on first. All right, y'all, so 2 hours later, after finally getting this driver's side light in, I'm gonna show you what the Novsight looks like, which is on the left, and a regular halogen bulb or stock halogen bulb looks like on the right side. It's gonna be a night and day difference. Oh yeah, you can clearly tell the Novsight is way brighter than any stock halogen bulb. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like on the road right here. As you can see, the LED, Novsight LED is way brighter than the halogen bulb. And this is what we got head on. Oh God, that looks so bad. That Novsight looks real good. And this is without the fog lights, y'all. So that's a huge difference right there in itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop in the other Novsight bulb, take a ride, show you what it looks like without the fog lights and with the fog lights. All right, y'all, and this is what it looks like with both headlights. Yes, sir, that is super bright. This is without the fog lights on too, so that's an evenly distributed light bulb. The screen looks good. Yeah, this is what it looks like on the ground with the fog lights. Just even more coverage, man. Look at that. That's great. That is crazy bright. So now all the headlights and fog lights are shining bright. There's no way you cannot see. Safe for oncoming drivers. Let's go on ride around a little bit and see what it looks like. All right, guys, so this is driving, and this is without the fog lights. That's very bright, and it looks really, really good. It's an even beam pattern showing right now. And y'all don't look, I don't know where this happened, when this happened, but I have a short in my driver's side headlight. It's a connector, it's not the bulb. I know for a fact it's the connector. I gotta get that fixed, man. It's crazy, but it goes in and out. And right now it's out. But anyway, man, so just wanted to show y'all these real quick, man. The bulbs are really, really good. Novsight looks really, really good. So I'm gonna turn the fog lights on real quick and just show you how to look at that. So now it's like you can't even tell, because see, actually the fog lights are actual headlights. I mean, you can use them as headlights depending on the size, but for this particular car and the fitment, it fits fog lights. All right, guys, and real quick, this is what the high beams look like. So it shines up bright, real nice. Bring it on back down. High beams, low beams. All right, y'all, so as I mentioned before, man, these headlights are the ones that you want. The combination of the 9012 for the headlights and the H11 for the fog lights is going to give you the best combination, the best lighting, the best longevity that you can ask for in any headlight experience. I promise y'all will not regret it. So there will be a link in the description where you can go and cop these. Don't forget to use my promo code JRTProd to get you some extra change off. And also don't forget, now you go and get them now. In the next few days, you might still be able to get that autumn fall discount. save you some extra change. These lights are not really that cheap, but with the discounts that I'm telling you about, you'll be able to get them for a steal. I promise you. It's pretty much almost halfway, you know, like a half. The price is cut in half. But anyway, man, shout out to Novsight for sending me these headlights to review. They're a great product. It's a great company. Make sure you go on the website, check out any other stuff that they have, man, and don't forget you can use that promo code for anything on their website. And I promise you, you're really gonna enjoy it. All right, man. So anyway, if this is your first time on the channel and you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below, let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you know when I'm posting the videos. Again, man, it's your boy JR. I'll holler at you on the next one. Peace.